Well, I thought that was the end of the road for me, but I just scouted it, and I think we can make it down to where it kind of levels out and just gets where you're just on like a sandy 2-track, not too rocky. Yeah, but we're gonna go and do this cool rappel. Should be about 150 feet, maybe. Yeah, probably about 150 foot rappel. Looking forward to it. Well, we're parking here. I didn't really gain much by doing that off-roading. I probably only saved myself like a half mile of walking, if that. And I could continue, and I was planning on it, but I decided we'll just drop right down into the canyon now. Now this is a side canyon of the South Fork of 7 Mile Canyon, and I was exploring this in this area and discovered that this big dry fall that we're going to actually had a set of bolts, on it for rappelling. So we will utilize those. Whoa. Well, here we are at the wrap. So I just have a little bit of a snacky, and then we'll get set up and wrap down. I'm lowering this in hopes of not getting it in that pool rather than throwing it. Yep. Not leaving anything, although we're going to come back to get the rope anyhow. There we go. Forgive any rubbing noises. It's really annoying, I know. Whee! Yep. I had wanted to get a drone shot, but I didn't think I could do it safely for my safety or the drone's safety. So we'll just have to put up with the GoPro. Next time I go rappelling with another person, then I'll get them. It's very unsafe. All right, we did it. Okay, well, I might do some more elaborating, but I'm just gonna leave the rope here and we'll hike on down. It's a pretty cool little side canyon. It's got a lot of these kind of alcoves where the flowing water has cut out the bottom of the cliff. Yeah, look, I'm in this big alcove right now. Also, there's hoof tracks in here, horse tracks. So somebody had a horse up here. At the bottom of 7 Mile Canyon, there is in fact a horse unloading area. So would be good riding for them because it's all nice soft sand, not too rocky coming up here. Well, that was pretty much it, folks. You can see right down there, that is the main fork of the South Fork of 7 Mile Wash. I'm gonna head down there and then head down just probably another half a mile before exiting back up and going to retrieve the rope and then back to the vehicle. So I hope you enjoyed that. Consider subscribing if you did, and liking or leaving a comment.